Hey guys, welcome back to another D4 Guns video. Today we're taking a look at a Kimber Ultra Crimson Carry 2. Comes with the original case here. Original stickers on it. Let's take a look. There's the pistol itself. Comes with 2 magazines. Let's take a look at the extras first. Has the original iron sights there. Kimber cable lock. Manual, and a few just extra little tidbits when you buy it. Let's take a look at the pistol. As you can see, it's a 1911 style carry pistol in 45 APC, and it's still in excellent condition. There's the model number there, caliber. This particular model also comes with night sights and the grip crimson trace laser. There's the button there. It'll come out right there. See, it slides still nice and smooth. If you're interested in this gun or any of our others, check them out at d4guns.com.